And so now we are charging our ID4 Volkswagen charging station. Electrify America home charger, cable, port, and doesn't look like it's charging. It should be in green. We'll see. It is effectively now in green, so it means all is good. Electrify America, only way to home charge. So it actually worked. We have now accomplished the green light on the Volkswagen ID 4 2022 home charging with Electrify America. We will be putting up more videos. So this is my Electrify America home charging setup for my 2022 ID 4 Volkswagen. And so far I've had this car for about a month. I've driven it about 1,500 miles, and actually very happy with it. I'm managing the range. I have more knowledge. I have done a couple of trips to Dallas, 300 miles on each trip. I've managed my Electrify America charging stations very well, and once again quite happy with the ID4 2022. So we will see. I will be waiting for my ID Buzz to become available.